Thursday, May 14th. Google extends Gemini to the factory floor. Fanuc partnership sends the Japanese robotics giant to record highs. Anthropic ships Claude Code agent view and a goal command. Treasury Secretary Bessent predicts a step function jump in Gemini and OpenAI releases. 6 days to May 20th. Let's begin. Google extends Gemini to physical AI. New partnership with Fanuc, the Japanese industrial robotics giant, biggest in the world by some measures. Bloomberg confirmed the deal this morning. Fanuc shares jumped to a record high on the announcement. The play. Google and Fanuc tie up to bring Gemini into factory floor robotics. The broader frame. Physical AI as a platform extension of the same Gemini intelligence stack Google's rolling out across phones, Chromebooks, cars, and now industrial robots. Yesterday, Google retired the Chromebook brand for a Gemini-first laptop. Today, they put Gemini in the factory. 2-day arc, one strategy. Gemini intelligence as a horizontal platform across every compute surface, consumer or industrial. Why Fanuc specifically? They are the canonical industrial robot vendor, auto assembly lines, electronics manufacturing, warehouse automation, all over the planet. Putting Gemini inside Fanuc means real factories running on a Google AI stack, not a demo. The market read. Fanuc shares to record highs. The signal is the price action. Physical AI is no longer the speculative tier. It's the next platform front, and Google moved early. Watch for Apple, NVIDIA, and Microsoft to respond. Anthropic shipped a Claude Code wave today. 3 new things, plus a legal tech extension. First, Agent View. Research Preview. Run the Claude Agents command and get a single list of every Claude Code session running, blocked on you, or done. Multi-session orchestration as a first-class surface. Second, the goal command. Set a completion condition. Claude keeps working across turns until it's met. Works in interactive mode, in -P print mode, and in remote control. Multi-turn autonomy with a stop condition you control. Third, smaller polish. The scroll speed command with a live preview, plus richer plugin, context, and transcript navigation tools. Plus describe legal engine for Claude. 300 million structured U.S. primary law records, full legal research toolkit, all directly inside Claude. Yesterday's Claude legal tech ecosystem, getting wired to real legal data. Treasury Secretary Bessent on CNBC today. The quote, anticipates a, quote, step function jump, end quote, in upcoming large language model releases from Google's Gemini and OpenAI. Forward-looking signal from inside the administration. Plus, geopolitics. Trump met Xi at the Temple of Heaven in Beijing. Xi warned Trump that the Taiwan issue could push the two countries into, quote, conflict, end quote, if mishandled. And the nations are planning a bilateral AI safety protocol. First time US and China have framed AI cooperation at this level. Read both together. The administration is bracing for big model drops and trying to set the rules with Beijing before they ship. Quick sweep. Cisco shares jumped 15% yesterday on surging AI orders. Same day, Cisco announced cuts of almost 4,000 jobs starting today. TSMC held the Taiwan Technology Symposium today. The message? AI is moving to edge. Smartphones evolving into personal AI assistants. The cloud versus edge inference question formally on the roadmap. 2 callbacks. Executive Order Watch, Day 9 of Hassett's 2-week window. 5 days left. Calendar pin, 6 days to May 20th. NVIDIA earnings, Google I/O Day 2, Meta layoffs all stack same Tuesday. If Bessent is right, that's also when the next model drops land. Thursday, May 14th. Google put Gemini in the factory floor. Fanuc shares to record highs. Anthropic shipped Claude Code agent view and a goal command. Bessent predicts a step function jump in Gemini and OpenAI. 6 days to May 20th. See you tomorrow.